Okay, for this slide, which is slide 6, we're talking about the survey that you should have already completed before you're watching this video. So the survey was where you went out into the internal road and just looked at what 10 people were doing. So you either went at morning tea or at lunchtime, and then you would have got information from someone who went at lunch if you went at morning tea, or the other way around. So you should have worked with a partner to do this. Otherwise, just grab someone's information from the opposite time that you went. So if you went at morning tea, you need to grab someone's lunchtime data, or the other way around, right? It's not a big deal if you didn't have a partner. So you needed to then collate your group data, and this is what we're going to talk about today. The collated data is what needs to be put on this slide here for slide 6. So when you got the survey information, you would have went to multimodal support documents, and it was actually this one here, number 2, data collection for analysis and evaluation. So not that one, going to this one. Okay, so this is the survey you did, morning tea. So you needed to see how many males and females there were, whether they were in a single or a group, and what amenities they used when they were there. So you should have surveyed 10 people just by watching what they were doing. Now, on the third table in this document is table 3, obviously, collated data, use survey of the internal road. So this is where you collate, which means put together, add them together, the information that you found into this table. So for morning tea, I had 3 males and 7 females, and my partner had 4 males and 6 females there, and the total was 20 altogether. So 7 plus 13 is 20. You need to have 20 as the total, otherwise you have not done something properly. Also for this single and group, when you add your totals up, they should actually add up to 20. Now, when we go down to the amenities used, people could have used a variety of different things while the time that you were watching them. So they could have been used the bubbler and then gone back and sit on the grass or something like that. So you might have more numbers. These numbers won't add up to 20. Okay, so that's fine. Just making sure these top 2 do. So you can see here clearly which amenity was the most popular, and then which activity also was the most popular. So what you need to do is copy this table once you've collated all the information from your surveys. So you get this information from the surveys, put it onto here, then you copy. You can either take a screenshot or copy it in Word, whichever way works for you, and paste it onto this slide. You do not need to paste the surveys onto here, just the third table. So that's pretty easy to do. Then what you need to do is on your transcript, you need to describe the process followed. So when you go to your transcript, pretty self-explanatory, you go to slide where it says slide 6, data collection use survey, and just in here, you just have to type in what you did. So you went to the internal road, you just watched what 10 people were doing, and you completed the surveys. So just describing what you did, that's on this transcript. Now, this transcript the voiceover doesn't have to be done for this until the end. Once you've finished everything, you can do it all at the end. So no need to worry about that right now. Good luck.